Hey, what's up, y'all? Adam here, back with another video. Uh, Today, kind of going off the cuff here, and want to talk about sacrifice. Hey, if you're new to the channel, though, go ahead. You know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share. Right. So, sacrifice. Like, I don't know what part of the world you in or where you're at. You know, right now I'm right outside of Chicago. Uh, Sacrifice. So you get up today, or you start your day whenever you happen to come across this video. Uh, you wanna you wanna ask that question: what am I sacrificing today for my why? What do I have to sacrifice today for my why? Of course, there's the obvious time. There's, money. There's energy. But that's, the surface shit. Um, I want you to dig deep. Like, what are you really sacrificing for real? What is it that you're really after? No, for real. Like, what are you sacrificing today for your dreams, for your goals? Because anything we get in life, you got to give something, whether that's time, money, energy. You got to give something up. It's like, going to the grocery store and getting that loaf of bread. What are you giving up for that loaf of bread? A couple dollars, okay? But what did you have to sacrifice to get those couple dollars? Who did you have to, connect with? Who did you have to disconnect with to get those couple dollars to then hit that grocery store and buy that loaf of bread? And in that sacrifice of what you had to do to get the couple dollars that you got for the loaf of bread, what did you have to sacrifice beginning before that? What did you have to sacrifice before you even sacrificed your time and energy to get those couple dollars? What else did you have to put on the line? Like, make sure to know what it is that you're sacrificing. And most importantly, why? I think a lot of us get up every day without clarity in our life, without no real direction. Imagine just getting in your car and saying, I'm in Chicago. Imagine me just getting in the car and I know the general way to get there, but man, I'm going to California right now. I'm going to Los Angeles. And I just get in the car and just start driving. Like, I'm not aware of any uh, upcoming road hazards. I haven't put anything in my GPS to see what's the best route. Uh, I haven't planned anything out. I'm just in the car and I'm just driving. I don't know how many miles it's gonna be for me to get there. I might have a full tank of gas, but how many miles is it gonna take for me to get to California, Los Angeles? I don't know. So a lot of us, we start our day just like that. You get in the car and you just go. I get it. You're going to work. I get it. You got errands to run and you got this to do and that to do. But do you really know your why? You really know why you're doing what you're doing? And I'm not talking about the superficial. I got to pay my bills and the kids got to eat and baby need a new pair of shoes for sure. That's real. And that's not to be discounted. No question. But in this dream, what I like to call a dream, in this three-dimensional video game of life, why are you doing what you're doing? I talked about this in another video, and as I, woke up this morning, it is something that I feel I needed to talk to you guys about. You have to know your why. Gotta know why you're doing what you're doing. You gotta be able to peel those layers back like an onion. If you can picture an onion right now and you take that, that papery skin off that onion and then peel that off, then you got another layer. Then you might peel that off. Then you might peel another layer off before you even cut the onion, assuming that you're cooking something. But if you were just to sit there and just keep peeling that layer, peeling that layer, peeling that layer, peeling that layer till you get to that middle part of the onion, like, that's what asking the question why and continuing to ask your question why to every answer you come up with from the previous why until you can't answer it no more. That's you getting to the middle of that onion, steadily asking and asking and asking and asking. Then this leads to being able to understand what you sacrifice and why you're sacrificing what you're sacrificing. Because my belief, my personal opinion, you have whatever you choose to believe in, and that's what's up. I personally believe nobody is here in this avatar, in this, again, this three-dimensional simulation. Nobody's here without a purpose. Nobody just oops and just happen to slip up here and you're just here. Now I've been there, and I'm sure if you're watching this, you've experienced this in your life too, where you don't know what your purpose is. You've asked the question. Maybe you haven't asked the question. Maybe you haven't even thought about it. But a lot of us can go to a time where we didn't have an answer to what your purpose is. But I'm telling you that that's one of, if not the single most important question that you can answer for you. I can't answer it for you. You can't answer it for me. And that's just real talk. You got to answer that question, however long it takes. And once you start to peel those layers back, you start to realize that some of the people you're running with aren't matching your frequency. Or you've had to lower your frequency to, be a part of whatever it is that they got going on. Always keep your frequency high. Always vibrate at a high level. And part of that fuel of being able to vibrate at that high frequency is knowing your why, knowing your purpose. Kind of just wanted to give you my thoughts in the morning here. Hope you all have a beautiful day. And if you happen to see this in the morning, or whatever time you happen to see it at, maybe you're getting ready to lay down and go to sleep, ask yourself, why? And ask yourself, what have I been sacrificing for my why? And why am I even sacrificing that? I'm almost guaranteeing you're going to come up with your own breakthrough. And everybody's breakthrough is special for them. My breakthrough is not your breakthrough. Your breakthrough isn't your daughter's breakthrough. Your daughter's breakthrough isn't your grandfather's breakthrough. Your grandfather's breakthrough isn't your mama's breakthrough. Your breakthrough is for you. And we need you. We need you to be great. We need you to be at the top of your game. But you're not going to know that if you don't know your why and why you do what you do and the sacrifices you make it. So keep that top of mind as you jump off this video and answer that question, no matter how long it takes. What are you willing to sacrifice? What have you been having to sacrifice? And why? Peace out, y'all.